Hello netizens, welcome sa Ino's vlog right now. I'm approaching the facade of Villa Grande Elementary School, former Jose Rizal Elementary School here at Concepcion Grande. You can see the construction materials, sand, gravel, right there because someone donated it, and that's Eagles Peña Francia for VGES. This is Ina's vlog, my day-to-day experiences in life. This is Ina's vlog, my advocacy, my music, my stories. This is Ina's vlog. Let me share with you my world. This is Ina's vlog. It was March 18, 2022, Friday, and the utility team were busy preparing for the snacks breakfast. This is where the event took place last Friday. I'm now visiting the Police Battle Island BKCS, where the police community group visited and cleared the area and took a groovy for remembrance. We're going to start the ceremony with the Eagles Penifrancia chapter. Here are some of the mementos or the highlights of the event last Friday with the Principal Ma'am Bulanan and the Eagles Penifrancia. Thank you so much, Eagles, as they adopted also the school as one of their recipient for their benevolent projects in the future. This is Eda's vlog. Please share, subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you very much. This is Eda's vlog.